Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome no update is available issue. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Click on the search icon and type regedit. When registry data appear in the search results, click to open it. When USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. In the registry data, you need to navigate to following key, that is HKey local machine, software, WOW6432 node, Google. Right click on it and select delete. When it asks for the confirmation, click yes to continue. Next, open File Explorer and then go to this PC, C drive, program files 86, Google. Right click on it and select delete. After it, run the setup file and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.